In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code using your app. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to easily scan QR codes whenever you need to. To begin this process, you first need to make sure you're logged into your account on the app. Logging in is a crucial first step because it ensures that all your subsequent actions are secure and properly registered under your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page. Now, this is where you can see all your accounts neatly organized. Right there is also your transaction history, giving you an overview of your recent financial activity. But today, our focus is solely on scanning that QR code. Next, you'll want to look for the section labeled Cards. Go ahead and click on that. This area of your app gives you control over your cards and provides several options. Among these options, you'll notice one that says Scan QR Code and another option to Import QR Code. For the purposes of this video, we're going to focus only on the Scan QR Code functionality. Click on Scan QR Code, and this action will prompt a notification asking for permission to access your camera. This is essential because in order to scan a QR code, the app needs to use your camera to capture the QR code image. All you need to do is click Continue to grant this permission. It's perfectly safe and a necessary step for you to proceed. Once you've given the app access to your camera, you're ready to scan. Now, simply locate the QR code that you wish to scan, typically on the merchant's site or receipt that you need to pay. Align your camera with the QR code. The app will automatically recognize and process the code. Just hold your device steady and you should see the information from the QR code pop up almost instantly. And that's it. You have successfully scanned a QR code. From here, you can follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete your payment or any other action required based on the QR code's instructions. This feature is incredibly handy for quick payments and accessing detailed information that QR codes can often provide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. With just a few taps, scanning QR codes can become a seamless part of your daily routine. Enjoy the convenience and power that comes with mastering this technology.